What's up, everyone? Got another soap cutting video for you. Today, we're going to be cutting Storm Cloud. I have a few that I'm going to be cutting today, but I'm going to show you Storm Cloud. Now the swirl in this one, this black swirl, look how it changes when you're at the very end and you start working your way up the bar. The black swirl is activated charcoal. And that's also in our Storm Cloud shave soap as well. I like using activated charcoal. It just gives a really, really deep, rich color. Just really deep black color. Was out doing some mountain biking yesterday up at Killington. First day out of the season. I got some really cool video, which I posted on my other YouTube channel, the Over the Hill Downhill channel. I threw a couple of them up on Facebook. But it's that time of year for me. Get back out and do some mountain biking. Some downhill mountain biking. And I think I'm going to try and pull some of that video and make a new, like a promo video or an advertisement for the new Soap and Splash I'm going to have coming out next week. It'll be the second in my mountain bike series. The second and the final in my mountain bike series. I think I might be able to get some cool video to put in the background for that one. And that is going to be this one right here. Send It. And that'll be coming out next week. Just watch for some more information on that. I'll have some more information on that later on this week as the weekend gets closer. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Take care.